PSL Pulse Bafethu is the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by Abuti Nicholas. Abutwaka, o jwang mfethu?
Akushapo.
Ali nna ke mnate. A re bua ka game ya Vandag mfethu, bone jwang?
Game ya today Pirates ne dala net nyobalore coach Arnore Kawachile koncha that guy Masongani
Tito.
yeah Masongani ne re tswere game sharp. So after uncha daman ratakatakan. So that goalkeeper ya Sekhukhune ke man of the match.
He's a good goalkeeper, ne?
Yeah.
Alright, in the first half, Orlando Pirates actually struggled to create chances compared to in the second half. How Shebile, what is it that the coach did right in order to create those chances in the second half?
Ai kana mola to mo garancha Masongani. Living lo tsencha mufukeng bas gaming.
Okay.
Today, not gaming at all.
So apart from the chances that we created as Orlando Pirates, did Orlando Pirates miss Utshegofatso Mabasa today? Does Orlando Pirates miss a striker like Utshegofatso Mabasa?
Straight Mabasa Ramunyaga straight Mabasa nke ba korile. Those one they want to create chances inside the box. So sontere korile. Mara anyway ralukile.
All right. In closing, there, my brother, there are two trophies left this season, which is the Nedbank Cup and the league. How Shebile Orlando Pirates itlonka tse pedi or itlonka e1 or never nke engwe.
Ipedi ya kaofela. Apangelo rana mela. Re na mele Sundowns ka odi. Me asel. Personally, ke 2 games, ke 3 games in hand, 2 games and so yola ya dala Sundowns o dala kef, ne? Yele or dala re win obvious. Ra re shaka ka 4 games.
Abutwaka, ke a leboha mfethu. Lucky my brother.